Welcome back to another episode of Downhill Domination.
Can I get a little noise for the riders? Woo! Let's hear it!
Let's go.
Breakers on course! I'll have a land of you! I'm at my angle! Tackle that damn under!
Oh, that was dangerous.
Baby, right? Bloody failure! Biggest swig of this!
I thought that was gonna happen. You gotta jump over them, or maybe pick up your wheels. Really?
Rich, you didn't know I could fly, too!
Oh.
It's gonna hurt!
What is this course? Jeez.
Oh! Who's his bingo bong now? Back off! I'm at my angle! You can do it! Next time, for sure! Keep away! Pay attention to the
So mad. Oh yeah, B diamond, I get it. The black diamond little course area. Now that makes sense.
Racers, take your mark!
Forgot about that. Oh, really? First place. let's do the next one.
Mount Zorkovaska is fully iced over. We're facing blizzard conditions, and there's a severe storm advisory. I'm dropping everyone at the top.
He's not calling it off. He's dropping them at the top. Nice.
Racers, take your mark.
And no one's bundled up.
No worries, mate.
Oh, what happened?
Ooh, don't touch me, mate. Take a squeeze at this. This here's stinkum
I thought I could cut other way across the track. Really? Oh, what is that? That was insanely dangerous. Watch out for the minecarts. Oh, I missed it. I tried to grab it and get in the middle. Get this thing. Oh, sorry. Soldiers all over the place. They look like genome soldiers. No idea where I'm going because of the trees. Looks like this is the right way. Excuse me, guys.
Tackle that damn under. Bloody brilliant!
Why? Sometimes I think the controls are just a little too sensitive. Let's go. Let's see if there's any upgrades in the bike shop. There's a good one for 24, but we're not there yet. No real upgrades for that.
Mount Zorkovaska is almost as hard to ride as it is to say, but don't let that get in your way.
Racers, take your mark.
What?
fly too.
Why wasn't there like a warning thing to say you're going the wrong way? I was in first too. First place. Let's go. I thought I was in second. That one was real quick. Almost had enough for that new bike part. I wonder if the upgrades did anything or if it's just like cosmetic. Because I still don't know what those bars mean.
Brr, make some noise and warm things up, Siberia. Racers, take your mark.
Racers on course.
Oh. Oops. Oh wow. Oh, it left something there. Really?
Remarkable.
No. Was that a Yeti? First place again.
First place.
Great job! Your rank is upgraded to Expert Racer. You now earn 2 times the cash for race placement and checkpoint bonus.
Two times the cash on the next one or this one? I think I'll pick the Ellsworth Joker just because its red is a little bit higher. I hope that's not bad. That way you keep making it go higher. Guess we'll save our money because I don't see a significant increase in the blue one.
Everybody strapped in? All right, it's currently 12 degrees Celsius, and I'm reading a stable barometer. Now watch for some really harsh winds.
Racers, take your mark.
Ah, she took it. How did he do that? Oh, I missed the pickup. Oops. almost had it. There was a monk. Oh, we almost made it out there. The monks. Uh-oh. Oh no. Absolute last. Come on. Lock in. Uh-oh. Man. Pink sheet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Really? Okay, run. I'm guessing this way. First place, let's go. That one was crazy. It was all over the place. There was castles, there was monks, there was everything. I'm really having a great time, and I hope you are too. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.